Materials required: a white sheet, a handful of pom-poms, your little one's favorite watercolor, a spatula. Let's start with it already. Start mixing colors in water so that you get thin consistency of it. Then soak the pom-poms in the paints and let your little ones carry them around on the sheet. Here the fun begins. It's time to splash them. Let your kids hold the spatula firmly and hit the pom-poms. Yay! You will see those colors splashing out of the pom-poms on the sheet. Do observe the sparkling faces of the babies with amazement.